Hi, my name is Luigi Victorino, and I have a son who studies here at Scuola di Vita. It all started when he was 3 years old because when Irie, our son, was born, it was in the pandemic. So medyo wala siyang kalaro. So we started exploring dun sa mga daycares and what do you call this, playgroups. That's when we saw yung Junior Explorers program ni Scuola di Vita. At first, siyempre medyo hesitant kami, pero once we saw the day-to-day improvement of Irie, medyo na nag-buy-in kami dun sa binibigay ni Scuola di Vita. Kasi if I remember it correctly, the name of the teacher is Teacher Donna. And ever since, we've been with Scuola di Vita for the past 3 years. Starting doon sa Junior Explorers nga. And every year, ang maganda doon is nagkakaroon siya, this is consistent for the past 3 years. Meron siyang nagiging favorite na sinubject nila nung past. Like for example, doon nga sa Junior Explorers, buong year na yon, he was into dinosaurs and animals. And after that, doon sa Junior Kinder naman, under Teacher Rizzi, sa planets naman. And right now, under Teacher Nika, parang nag-ano siya sa math and English. So parang yun yung dun siya naka-focus ngayon. Dun siya nag-e-enjoy, I mean. Ayun, tas at first nahirapan kami maghanap ng school kasi medyo ang mahal kasi. So, pero dito sa Scuola di Vita, parang you get the best value for your money. Lastly, our family wants to thank all the staff, the faculty, and especially the teachers na nag-handle kay Irie. Kumbaga na-shape yung, dito sa formative years na to, is very important kasi ito yung nagpe-prepare sa kanila na going to grade 1. So, I think Irie now, and I'm proud to say that Irie now, I think is ready for the next level. And for that, we thank you. Another one pala is the security of the students. Kasi syempre, when we bring them here, may sumasalubog na kaagad na staff. Sila Mamlo, kumbaga sinasalubog na si Irie. And then after that, there's an added security pa na I think they just implemented this year. Na when they come in, they tap their ID in the entrance. And then when they go out naman, when it's time to pick them up, they tap out again. So, and then after this tapping in and tapping out, Scuola di Vita sends us a message na saying that Irie is in or Irie is out, and then that he's already picked up, especially for us parents na medyo busy, na paminsan hindi kami nakakasundo. So, kumbaga, it makes us feel comfortable. I recommend Scuola di Vita kasi ever since, as in for the past 3 years, palaging hands-on yung mga teachers. Plus, mararamdaman mo na ano sila, na they have prior experience in handling children. I was so impressed kasi with the teachers kasi yung mga tinuturo naming values and academics is nag-a-align dun sa kung ano yung tinuturo ko sa bahay, which is very convenient for us parents. Plus, yung value niya is, I think this is the best value for your money. To Scuola di Vita, to all the teachers, the staff, the faculty, and especially those who are outside during mainit na panahon, our family wants to express our heartfelt gratitude sa everyday life na ginagawa nyo and sa tulong nyo with your partnership sa informing the formative years of Irie. With that, thank you very, very much. More power!